What's up, guys? Dante here with an unboxing of my new laptop, my new daily driver, all that stuff. Because I don't really edit on my laptop anymore. I stopped that a long time ago because it's just pretty much a bottleneck. But if I have to, I'll make do with it. But I wanted something when I get off of work and just kind of flow the internet, see what's out there, see what's going on. Something, I wanted something like with a 15-inch screen, so I went with this one. This is the Razer 15.6-inch display laptop. This is the basic model of it, which means it's just a 60 hertz display, and I think the advanced one is 144 hertz. I didn't need all that. And occasional gaming because, when my kids are over, they kind of hog everything, like as far as the consoles in the house, so I kind of wanted something to play in my own little space. So let's go and get to this unboxing. And like I said, this is the basic version, so it came with i7 6-core, 16 gigabytes of RAM. I think the graphics card is a 1060. I'm not sure, don't hold me to that. But if I find the exact configurations around here, I'll let you know. But hold on. Okay. You go. Let's see what's in here. Okay, hold on. We're getting down to the, feel like a power supply. Yeah, power supply. Oh, I kind of like, whoa. Interesting little strap here. Never seen this before. Usually they had like the little one that the Velcro and you kind of wrap it around. But this one is different. Okay. Don't mind me sweating. I ain't got the air conditioner on right now, so I'm kind of. Oh, I don't need to do that. Here's the AC adapter for that. You can sit right here. Okay, let's get down to main event here. This is my first, not my first gaming laptop, but my first Razer laptop. I kind of seen reviews on these things and I kind of like how they look. Oh, yeah. Oh, some literature. I don't really need to do that. Here we go. All right. Okay. That didn't go the way I thought. That new smell. Is this the right way? Oh. See, I tried to show y'all. Okay. Well, here you go. Take the little black cloth off. And, okay. I'm going to try to read this upside down. Okay, we got a 8th gen Intel Core i7 87050H processor, 6 cores, 4.1 gigahertz, and I have an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060, so I was right. Max Q design, VR ready graphics, 6 gigabytes on board. And like I said, 16 gigabytes of RAM was in this bad boy. Like I said, this is going to be like, my daily drive. I kind of like this size factor when it comes to laptops because I've had 17 inch. I like 17 inches, but the thing is, it depends on the ones you get. The bezels be huge. The screen, it's like perfect, but it's bulky. You can't really take it everywhere. This is kind of like in between that portability of a 13 inch and power of like a 15, 17 inch because 13-inch laptops, I love them. The most portable things you can get out there, but the power is just not there. 15-inch laptops are pretty much, I say, the baseline for everything out there. You got the MacBook Pros at 15-inch. Most laptops, Dell and HP make 15-inch, and Razer make 15-inch. Everybody, like, the PC brand makes 17 inches, but, those are, they more like home, stay at home type thing. These are something I could take on the road. Like I said, do a little editing. Nothing crazy. Like I'm not editing 8K or 6K, nothing like that. I'm just doing 4K for right now, which this is probably can handle. But when you work with a laptop, it really strains down, it really slows up, chops up, and all that other stuff. That's why I like working on desktops. That's what desktops are built for, in my opinion. But post your comments down below. If anybody has a Razer laptop out there, any suggestions I should do, or any type of software I should put on there, let me know. Comment section, hit that like button, subscribe button, notification button, just to stay informed of what's coming from my channel. Thank you guys for watching in this unboxing. Stay tuned. I will do a review in about 2-3 weeks. You know, gotta play with it for a little bit, see what I like and don't like about the actual laptop itself. I want to thank you guys once again. See you guys in the next video.